Hello everyone, I have another unboxing for you guys today. It is the Shinwoo Vampire Candy Bears series from Finding Unicorn. Here on the bottom, well actually, let me get this wrapping off first. And I know that some people just love or hate blind boxes and things like that, but these are genuinely ones that I saved up for, wanted to collect, and I'm done, pretty much done now. I might still get some Skull Pandas. These are all of the bears in the set. I don't know all of their names yet. They are all so cute, and I don't think they have a picture of the secret on here. It's like a little vampire bear in a blood bag. It's adorable. Okay, I found a peel tab. There we go. That was semi-satisfying. I think we're good now. Oh, that is so cool. I know there's a fancy way to get it to like sit cute, but I don't know what I'm doing. But look at the top of these boxes. Which one do we want to grab first? Probably this one is calling to me. Baby Ghost Bear Vampire Candy Shop. I've never seen the top of these boxes before. This is a new brand for me. I've wanted some Shinwoos before, but never got anything. And there we go, that's the secret one. I got the whole set, so I should get one of everything, except for if I get the secret, then it replaces one. So I'm gonna guess that this first one, I don't know why I feel like it's the spider, bittersweet. I'm gonna open from the bottom just because I like the way that these boxes look. I don't want to seem like I'm gonna sell them. I know a lot of people do that. I'm not doing that. I'm keeping these for myself. Oh, I forgot. The other reason I like these is because they have an actual chain, like a metal chain that you can actually, it's not just like a little keychain, it's metal. That's what the packaging looks like. So cool. Let's do this. Is it the spider? No, it's the tooth. I was so wrong. I forget what the tooth is called. Sad tooth. The chain. They come with the chain and the little like charm heart on it. What does it say? Shinwoo. And then there's a little face on it. Oh, that's so cute. He's a little tooth with a cavity because he's been eating too much candy. All right, next one. I'm feeling this one. Ooh, way in the top corner. This one's definitely a bear. I think this one is going to be Baby Vampire, the blue one. So I think it's the blue bear, and I already forgot the name. Baby Vampire. All right, Baby Vampire, I think. That was a terrible peel. Try from the other side. There we go, all right. Oh my God, I was right. He's got a little bow and a little candy and his X-eyes, vampire teeth. He's got wings. I didn't know he had wings, and his back says, "No sweets, no life." And then his card, so cute. I want to do this one. I also can't tell with this one, but I want to guess it is Candy Bunny. Oh no! His chain fell off. Oh, okay, wait, never mind. It's okay. It's just looped on, so I can just hook him back up. I was gonna be so sad, but that's actually kind of cute. You can just use the chain as a bracelet if you wanted, knowing that it comes off like that. They've got a little loop on the top of their head. Everything's fine. He's fine. So cute. He's got a little skull face and the tear. Oh. I was looking at this online. It feels like it's glass. It feels really nice. Oh, he's got little tootsies. He's got the little skeleton because he was electrocuted. And there's his card for Love Shock. Next box. This one almost fell out of me, so I guess that's the one we're doing next. This one, I think, is Lord Meow. Lord Meow or Bittersweet. Oh my God, I would have been right if I had just stayed saying Lord Meow. He's a little vampire kitty, and he's got a little cape. So freaking adorable. Oh, his little tail. I just noticed that. Look at it, it's so cute. And there's his card for Lord Meow. 2 more boxes. What do we want? This one. This one is gonna be the spider. I don't know why I'm guessing that everything is the spider. It's not my favorite. I think my favorite is Baby Vampire or Lord Meow, but I just want to guess the spider. Ah! It is! Yay! Finally. It's not my favorite one, I'm gonna be honest, but it is cute. It's a little spider and he looks like candy and he says bittersweet on the back. For bittersweet. Last box, that means this one is Candy Bunny or the secret one, which I don't know the name. I just can't read the box, but it says something bear. It definitely feels like Candy Bunny. I feel like I don't know what material the blood bag is made out of. That was a bad pull. Ah, I can't do it. Gotta bite it. Trying again. Woo, there we go. That feels like a bunny. Yep, Candy Bunny. She looks like she's seen better days. She's a little rough, but very cute. Little bunny, little bow. Candy Bunny. All right, if you guys enjoyed this unboxing, let me know which one was your favorite, or let me know if you have the secret and if you like it and if it's cute. I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed.